my last horse riding lesson, that was the end of my canter. I swear my husband needs to up his videography skills. We've done a lot of like sit and trot in this lesson, and honestly this horse's trot was so bouncy. I found it really difficult to sit to it. Just nothing I could do seemed to be comfortable. I feel like I'm really bouncing out the saddle. It was not comfortable at all. We've done a lot of like no stirrup work, which I think definitely helps. But I think the problem with this is I was just trying that little bit too hard. And yeah, that is really all that came for this lesson. She had a really fast canter as well, which was fun.